So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your PayPal reward points right through your PayPal app. Now we're here on an iOS device as we go through the step-by-step process. Now when we load up the app, we're actually going to see our PayPal reward points right over here on our screen. But if for any reason you do not see this rewards section right over here, you can always click down over here towards the bottom right where it says rewards, which is actually where we're going to go ahead and click on just in case yours doesn't look exactly the same. And then from this section right over here, you're going to be able to see currently we have a 2,500 points, which equates to about $25. Actually, I should say exactly $25. And of course, there's different ways to earn more money, but let's go ahead and click on the redeem button to see the step that it's going to ask you next. First, it's going to ask you if you want to do cash back. That actually transfers into your PayPal account. You can actually transfer to your savings if you have a PayPal savings, redeem at checkout. You can also donate this as well as have it for PayPal shipping credit. Now for ours, we're going to go ahead and click on cash back right over here. And from here, it's going to ask us how much we want to go ahead and redeem. We don't actually have to redeem it all, but of course, we're going to go ahead and do that with our example today. But you can go ahead and toss in whatever number if you want to redeem less or all of your account. Now we're going to go ahead and click on redeem right over here. And just like that, it says our cash is on the way and they'll be adding $25 to our PayPal balance. We can go ahead and transfer that out. And if you want to learn how to transfer money out of your PayPal account into your personal bank account, we'll have a video right over here on screen to teach you exactly how to do that step by step.